What problem are you solving? That's the question that was asked at Hack Harvard. Our problem is that there are piezoelectric shoes, but not to power a sensor for the visually impaired, and they are censored for the visually impaired, but they have finite charge. Our solution is to create a device that takes footsteps and generates charge in a self-powered sensor for visually impaired individuals. Introducing Step-ergize. Our goals are to create a much more accessible device in terms of cost, presence, and technology, and be an industry upgrade for sensors for the visually impaired. Our uniqueness in the industry is self-generated power and real-time audio output. Here's our working demo.
Okay, so you can see in this demo here that the ultrasonic sensor is picking up the data accurately, sending it to the Bluetooth module on the serial port, and the piezo crystals, which you mentioned, turn the pressure from AC to DC in this bridge rectifier, and charge up the battery, and charge up the rechargeable battery, and then it charges up the entire circuit to be sustainable on its own through your footsteps. Now onto the app.
So let's first scan the QR code to get a demo of the app. The app opens up.
Welcome to Step-ergize. Your footsteps, your power.
And then we click start, and it's going to take the real-time data from the ultrasonic
Object is
sensor
0.7 meters ahead of you.
and
Object is
display
0.83 meters ahead of you.
warnings according to that to alert the
Object is
person.
0.62 meters ahead of you. Object is 0.68 meters ahead
Yay,
of you.
yay, yay. Okay, GG.
We started off not knowing how we were going to use the piezo crystals to power the Arduino, but we started slowly with half of our team working on software and half of our team working on hardware, and eventually we got the piezo crystals to work. Things were off to a great start because we also got the audio to work.
Hello, welcome to Step-ergize.
Yo!
But 10 hours in, we started running into problems. We ran into 5 bugs each. It was 3 a.m. and we were so unfamiliar with the technology that we almost stopped working, but we continued on. Tried different hardware and eventually started to figure out turning our data in and integrating it together. This is the final shoe. In the end, we astonished ourselves with our perseverance, creativity, and the functionality of the self-energizing circuit and app.